reason why you feel like you get stuck where all those piles are around you is not because you're just not an organized person, right? And it's not because you're in over your head and you're incapable of doing it. The reason you feel like you get stuck is because you don't know where you are, or you forget where you are in the process. And where you are is smack dab in the middle of messy Monday and it's too much Tuesday, which is just the worst possible place to be, but it's the right place to be. Because before you can get to this is really happening Thursday and finishing touches Friday, you have to get through messy Monday and it's too much Tuesday. So you're in the right place. It just sucks. You don't want to stay here any longer than you have to. And the other thing you don't want to do is you don't want to give up and just shove everything back in the closet, right? You have made progress and you can make it through messy Monday and it's too much Tuesday. And then you can make it happen on working Wednesday so that when you get to this is actually happening Thursday and you feel that little bit of hope swelling up in your heart, you'll be ready for finishing touches Friday and how amazing it's going to feel to have your closet all set up and smiling at you.